Very good morning, dear students. Welcome back after your winter vacation. Before your winter vacation, we have started with chapter number 5, separation of substances. So today, in this video lecture, we are going to complete the introductory part also and some methods of separation also. So we have seen that why we need the different methods of separation. So we'll start with the same point, need for the separation of substances. We are using many mixture in our daily life. Not every component of a mixture is useful. For example, some food preparation may contain constituents that are not liked by us. We remove it to make food items suit our taste. So, one reason for separation is removal of undesirable components. Similarly, we find stones in rice, wheat, pulses, etc. We remove husk stones before cooking because they are harmful to our body. So, the second reason for separation is to remove harmful components. When we churn milk, curd, we get two different but extremely useful components or products that are butter and buttermilk. Thus, third reason is to obtain pure and useful components. You may have idea about some methods of separation. In fact, you would have used some of these methods in your daily life. So let us list some methods commonly used to separate components of mixture. Handpicking, churning, threshing, winnowing, sieving. The basis for choosing a method of separation depends upon the physical properties of components. How does your mother separates pieces of stones and other impurities from wheat, rice and pulses? Yes, simply by hand picking or by picking them up with the help of hand one by one. The method of hand picking can be used for separating impurities that are easily visible to our naked eyes and present in small quantity in the form of dirt, husk and stones. This is butter. Do you know how butter is made? When milk is stirred vigorously in a churn, butter is obtained. What liquid remains behind? It's tasty, nutritious buttermilk. It's a refreshing summer drink. Do you see that two useful components emerges from a mixture when this method of separation is used? You must have seen bundles of wheat or paddy stalks lying in the fields after harvesting. Have you wondered how farmers separate grains from these stalks? Once a wheat or paddy crop is harvested, the farmer ties these stalks together to form a bundles. Then leave the bundles to dry in sun. Once it dries completely, the farmer beats them against hard floor to free the grains. This process of separating grains from stalks is known as threshing. Bullocks, oxen and machines known as threshers that are also used for this purpose. In our country, we have seen that or we notice that women are standing at highest place and shakes continuously. They are separating the grains from husk by simply allowing the wind to blow away the husk and other lighter impurities. The heavier grain falls down on the ground in a heap. This process of separation by allowing a current of air to blow away the lighter impurities is known as winnowing. So this is the process of winnowing. Next process, sieving. Children, have you seen how your mother removes bran and other impurity from flour? They separate the coarse bran from the fine flour with the help of sieve. This technique of using a sieve to separate a solid components of different sizes in a mixture is known as sieving. In this method, the mixture is placed on sieve and shaking. The smaller particles pass through the holes of the sieve to the container placed below and thus separated from bigger particles that are retained in the sieve. So this is the method of sieving. Thank you children. Hope you are understanding. Have a great day.